everybody. Happy Friday. I know it's Friday and this is DIY Thursdays, but I had to go into the city for work yesterday and it was a really, really long day and I had dinner with friends. By the time I got back, it was just way, way, way too late. And I wanted to do this properly because this is one of my favorite DIY recipes ever. And it is bug spray, bug repellent. And I love, love, love this recipe. This is one of the first things I DIY'd when I first started using oils the first summer. And it smells amazing. It actually repels bugs, and there's no chemicals, there's no DEET, there's that, like I always hated the smell of bug spray and rubbing that stuff on you because it's just like, but it kept the bugs off. And like, I don't know where you guys live, but here in Jersey, mosquitoes are horrible. Ticks are the worst thing in the world. It's my vet said that New Jersey is the worst state in the country for ticks. And I'm like, great. But a lot of these oils, I actually adjust my bug spray recipe here and there all the time. I'm going to give you guys my core recipe. But what I've learned is there are a lot of oils that are deterrents for bugs. They just don't like the way they smell. And so sometimes I kind of like mix up what I add to it depending on where we're going to be or what we're using it for. But this right here is my core recipe for bug repellent. Yay! I'm just hoping this rain will slow down and we'll get nice weather again so that we can actually use this. But here are your main ingredients: distilled water, witch hazel, and the oils that are my core oils that we'll be using are citronella, which just smells amazing anyway. You know, citronella candles, great for outdoors. Thieves, purification, lemongrass, which is also a huge outdoor oil, but I use it on everything, and peppermint. Now, you may have seen my previous post. I think I talked about this on here. Peppermint, spiders hate peppermint. So this is my magic oil this time of year and in the summers. I also have been doing a lot of gardening videos or reading a lot of gardening stuff and watching videos. And aphids, spider mites, and something else that eats plants in your vegetable garden hate peppermint smell as well. So this would be a really good one to just kind of like have around, especially when you're weeding in the garden. Okay, so glass container is preferable. I have a spray bottle here. If you don't have a glass one, you have a plastic container, it should be fine because none of these are citrus. Just keep it out of direct sunlight, like keep it in a cupboard or whatever until you go somewhere. This is a 6-ounce container. The recipe that I have posted on Rocking the Oils already is for an 8-ounce container, so I'm going to adjust slightly on this, but it doesn't really affect the ratio too much. I have my handy funnel because I'm a complete mess. And we are going to add 3 ounces. This is my little measuring shot glass. We're going to do 3 ounces of witch hazel. How are you guys today while I pour and do this? It's really gross and rainy and cold here, and I'm really hoping it goes away soon, but I also am aware that it's not supposed to. It's supposed to have rain for a long time. Okay. Witch hazel, 3 ounces of distilled water, so equal parts witch hazel and distilled water is your basic thing you need to know for this. And again, distilled water, you can use tap water, but especially if it's something you don't think you're going to go through that quickly, distilled water is just free of fluorides or, anything that your town could add to your tap water. And so if you don't know exactly what's in your tap water in your town, distilled water is just the way to go because it won't go bad or mold or anything, which just depends on if anything's added to your water. Okay, give this a little swirl, mix that together. You can also add this. The other thing I do is sometimes I'll make a big batch of this in a glass bowl or mixing bowl, and then I'll add it to like little 2 or 3 ounce spray bottles, and then I put them in my bags when in my purse when we go places in the summer, which is awesome. Like cheer practice and t-ball practice, like we just have bug spray everywhere, and it's great because then you can share it with everybody. Okay, we're gonna do 8 drops of each of these except the peppermint. Peppermint's really strong, so I only do like 3 or 4. So we're going to do 8 drops of citronella. 5, 6, 7, 8. I love this. I also found a recipe to DIY your own citronella candles, so I might do that one day too because I think that would be really awesome. 8 drops of thieves. almost out of thieves. Just added it to my order for next month. This month, it's May. Purification. Oh, got 9 in there. Extra purification. No problems with that. 8, lemongrass. Hi, Vic. Oh, is it really? Ugh. I'm over the rain. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, I guess rain is good. It helps things grow, blah, blah, blah. And if I guess it's going to be rainy, I'm glad it's cold and rainy because it was supposed to be like 80 and rainy yesterday. That didn't happen, but I wasn't looking forward to it. All right, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 4 peppermints. The peppermint's really strong. You just don't need as much. All right. Oh my God, this smells so good. I just love this DIY bug spray recipe. It's one of my favorite things. All right, so we're going to add on our top. Shake it up. I do recommend giving it a shake before you use it, just because you want to make sure your oils are dispersed really well. It should be the witch hazel helps split up the oil, but just make sure. And that's it. DIY bug spray. This stuff smells amazing. This is like a sprayer that's got kind of like a mist setting, which I like. But I also have one of the ones that has like one of those round ones, so you can sort of adjust if you want to do a mist or more direct. Because I do direct spray the hell out of the corners of the porch when the spiders are there. Yeah, that's it. DIY bug spray. I hope you guys give it a shot. I really, really love it, and I'd love to know what your thoughts are on it. Hopefully the weather turns nice soon so we can use this. I hope you guys all have an awesome day. Again, I'm sorry I'm delayed a day late on this. I'd love to hear your thoughts for the next DIY, and otherwise I will talk to you all later. Bye.